Hello students, in this class we consider next most important question for your board exam, that is integrated rate equations. Integrated rate equation for rate constant. Rate constant also called velocity constant or specific reaction rate for zero order reaction and for the first order reaction. That integrated rate equation for rate constant of zero order reaction or first order reaction, out of these two they can ask any one question for the 3 marks. First you consider integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. First you consider, that is reactant gives product. Reactant gives product is a zero order reaction. Is a zero order reaction. R gives product is a zero order reaction. Then rate equals to rate for this equation. Rate equal to rate nothing but the minus dr by dt, change in concentration of the reactant, minus dr by dt, that is equal to k into r power 0. It is, we are considered a zero order reaction, hence r power 0. If it is first order, then r power 1. Then we know that r power 0 value, it is equal to 1. Then minus dr by dt, minus dr by dt, that is become equal to k. Minus dr by dt become equal to k, because r power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is taken as the unity. Then you rearrange these terms, that dr equal to minus k into dt is the rearrangement. You integrating on both sides, integrate on both sides, integrate on both sides. Then this is the integral symbol dr, it is equal to, it is k is constant, consider outside, integral of dt. We are not integrating to the constants. Then this value becomes, integral of dr value is r. Already in mathematics you know the integration part. Integral of dr value is r, that is minus k into integral of dt, again it is t, plus constant I is called integral constant. I is the integral constant. Integral constant. I is the integral constant. Next, consider here. Then, when t equal to 0, when t equal to 0, at the time 0, R value, concentration of the reactant, R it is equals to initial concentration, R naught, not power. You have to consider here R naught. When the time 0, concentration of the reactant, it is taken as the initial concentration. R naught is the initial concentration and R is the concentration at the time of t seconds. When time is 0, R value is equal to R naught. You substitute, then you get R becomes R naught equals to K into minus K into time is 0 plus I. Then I value, it is equal to R naught. I equal to R naught. Substitute that I value in that equation. You get R equal to minus KT plus R naught. Minus KT plus R naught. Or KT equal to, KT value equals to R naught minus R. KT value equals to R naught minus R. Finally, K it is equal to R naught minus R by T. R naught minus R by T. It is the rate constant, integral rate equation, integrated rate equation for a zero order reaction. K equal to R naught minus R by T. It is the integral rate equation. This is about the rate equation. Then for this one, you have to consider the graph also. I am considering the graph here. In that graph part, you have to consider the concentration of the R. If you write in square bracket, it indicates the concentration. Concentration of the R. Concentration of the R versus time. Concentration of R versus time. Concentration of R versus time. Then we get this is the slope. Then this is the R naught value. This intercept value that gives the R naught. Intercept equals to R naught. Even sometimes they can ask for 1 mark for the intercept value. You draw the graph R versus time. Then intercept value R naught, and this slope value, if you calculate the slope it is equal to minus K. Slope equal to minus K. This is the graph. You have to practice this graph also. In the y coordinate, for the y coordinate consider R value. For y coordinate consider R concentration. For x coordinate take the time. Then slope value gives the slope, you get the negative slope. Slope equal to minus K. Intercept value gets the R naught. This is about the for the zero order reaction. Next you consider the first order. Consider integrated rate equation for rate constant of a first order reaction. First point is consider R gives product is a first order reaction. Is a first order reaction. Is a first order reaction. Then for this one, rate equal to nothing but the minus dr by dt. Rate equal to minus dr by dt. That is equal to K into, it is a first order reaction, hence R power 1 raised to the power of 1. Or you rearrange this equation, that is dr by R, R power 1 means R, dr by R equals to minus K into dt, integrate on both sides, integrate on both sides, then integral of dr by R equals to minus K is constant, integral of dt. Then we know that integral of dr by R, it is taken as the ln R, exponential log. If you write log, then you have to write the base E. Instead of writing log base E, you mention as ln R. Ln R value equals to minus K into integral of dt value is t plus I, minus kt plus I. Similarly, when t equal to 0, R value it is equal to R naught. Substitute, then ln R naught, R becomes R naught. Ln R naught equal to minus K into 0 plus I. Then I value it is equal to ln R naught. Then you substitute that I value. This is the I value. Substitute the I value in this equation. Then you get ln R equal to minus kt. Here you substitute the I value in this equation. I means ln R naught plus ln R naught. Then you rearrange, that is kt equal to ln R naught minus ln R. Again, we know that log A minus log B, log A minus log B can be taken as log of A by B. That is ln of R naught by R, ln of R naught by R, ln of R naught by R. Instead of this one, you consider like this, ln of R naught by R, R naught by R. Then you convert ln exponential log into base 10 log. To convert that one, that is multiplied by the 2.3, k2 equals to 2.303 log of LOG means base 10, kt equals to 2.303 log of R naught by R, R naught by R. Finally, cross multiply the t, k equals to 2.303 by t log of R naught by R. This log is base 10 log, this is the base 10 log, ln is exponential log. Then this k equals to 2.303 by t log of R naught by R. It is an integrated rate equation for rate constant of a first order reaction, very important for the 3 mark. And finally, you write the graphs also. In this graph, you consider here concentration of ln R concentration versus time, ln R concentration versus time. Same graph. You get intercept value. That intercept value, that is ln R naught, and slope value. If you calculate the slope for this one, you get minus k. In the zero order, we are used only concentration of R. Here ln R versus T. In the zero order, without ln, only concentration of R versus time. Slope same, minus k, intercept value R naught value. But for the first order, ln R versus T. Intercept value ln R naught and slope value minus k. Or instead of this type, you can consider one more type of graph, that is log term, log of base 10 log of R naught by R, log of R naught by R versus time, log of R naught by R versus time. Then we get a straight line passing through the origin. Then slope equal to k by 2.3. It is positive slope, k by 2.303. They can ask any type of the graph. If exponential log is considered, ln R versus time, then negative slope is obtained. Log R naught by R versus time, we get positive slope, that line passing through the origin. Then slope value, it is equal to k by 2.3. This is about the integrated rate equation for rate constant of a first order reaction. You practice both zero and first order, definitely you get 3 marks. In the next class, we can consider expressions for half-life of zero and first order reactions.